Wasn't I supposed to be remembering something? Oh yeah, that's why I'm getting hijacked. Wait, what? Wait, what? That's right, Thomas. You're getting hijacked. Now, sit there. We're gonna go to the demonstrators. Activate give us $1,000,000. Or else we're gonna blow them up. Yeah, we're gonna blow them up. With this dynamite I have in the back. So yeah, would you keep going for me? Thanks. Alright, people. This is what we're trying for. That part was lame. Oh, so it's okay. I'll just stare and shut. Stop me with the puns. Let's just get this done. Move, move, move. Yes. It's gonna take forever. I see Thomas. I see Thomas. Wait for it. Jump. I'm in. I'm in. Wait, where'd Percy go? I went the wrong way. Ah. Ah, come on. It's gonna take me hours to fix. Oh, hey, James. You'll never take me alive. Yo. Yeah. Ah. You miss me. Ah. Ah. Dang it. Your blows are harmless. Ah, stop hitting me from the inside. Oh, come on. Oh, this hurts. Ah. Ah. Just finish me off. Ah. Oh, boy. Come on to the starboard. We're good. Pick up. Copy that. I'm on my way. I want the helicopter. You're a part of this. I want the helicopter. You're a part of this. That's right. I'm tired of taking a backseat to a bunch of steam trains. I can fly. So long, Super Mario. Wait, what? Sorry, Harold. Oh, no. Ah! Look, there goes my wall. Yowzers! Ah! Ah! What kind of cool god would give a train a face? Oh! Oh man, oh god. Pump those pistons, you steam-powered son of a... I'm gonna make it! Ah! Oh, 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 ah! Oh God! Oh, come on, if this was realistic, we'd all be dead. Wait, what Mario go? Yeah! Oh God, help me already. Mario, pull me up. I'll tell myself when I saw it, just pull me up. And another line. And... Ah! Come on, Thomas, let's go. There you go, Thomas. Safe and sound. Yeah, besides getting hit and with an axe and on my insides. Wait, what? But the good news is you're okay. No. Hey, look, it's Harold. Ah! Wait, I thought you died. I never died. They just let me down. We forgot to play my role in the special. Wait, James? Toby? Spencer. I said Spencer, not Charlie. Oh, sorry. Now if you guys mind, I'ma go. My work here is done. Mario, how did you dispose of the dynamite? Oh, crap. Thomas, didn't you say you had dynamite inside you? Oh, me.